morning everyone. Today we are replacing this Hypervolt unit. Now I carried out this installation at the beginning of the year and my client called me back because the LEDs are no longer working. So I got in touch with Hypervolt, as usual, very helpful. They asked for some photos and a short video which I sent to them, and very quickly they said yep, that's fine, and they sent me out a brand new unit for me to replace. So that's what we're doing today, and we'll have a bit more of an in-depth look at what the problem is in just a minute. Okay, so what we have here with this Hypervolt, you actually have a front cover with some LEDs on it, and you have this connection here. Now this wasn't the problem. The problem lies where this connects into, actually inside there. So the problem lies with the actual unit, and that's why we have to replace it today.
Touch.
So then we have the new charger installed. The old one is now packaged up and ready to go. Thank you for watching my video today. I know it's just a short, quick one, but please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram.